Let's take a look at one approach to modeling this. We shall start with this solid extrude. Go to Modify, Shell. Select this face. Adjust the thickness. Next, we want to create this mesh-like pattern. We need to limit this pattern to the inner portion of this part. Let's use the tangent lines created by the fillet as a reference. We want to split this body using these lines. We can create a sketch and project these lines. But let's take a look at another method. Activate the Surface tab. Go to Create, Root. Set type to normal. Select the tangent lines. And adjust the distance. This creates a surface body perpendicular to the face of the body, which we can use as a splitting tool. Activate the Solid tab. Go to Modify, Split Body. Select the body to split. For a splitting tool, click on the Select box and select the surface body. Extend the splitting tool. The main body has now been split into two bodies. For the mesh pattern, I have chosen to interpret this as a rectangular pattern of diamond-shaped cuts. Let's create the seed diamond cut. Create a sketch on this face. I am going to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line somewhere in the middle of this face. Select the midpoint constraint and click on the two lines. This will make the midpoints of the two lines to be coincident with each other. Convert both these lines into construction. Create the diamond shape by using lines to join up these points. Create another line from the center to the midpoint of this line. Set this to construction. This will play a role in directing the rectangular pattern later. Begin the extrude command. Set extent type to all. Set operation to cut. Since the sketch occupies a region inside of the inner body, that is the only body it recognizes to cut. Go to Create, Pattern, Rectangular Pattern. Set object type as Features, and select the extruded cut. For axis, click on the select box. Make the diamond sketch visible. Select the horizontal line as the first direction and the diagonal line as the second direction. Set distribution type to spacing. Set both directions to symmetric so that the pattern fans out symmetrically. Adjust the quantity and spacing. We need to adjust these parameters such that the pattern exceeds the inner portion of the body. You can see that the pattern does not cut through to the outer portion of the body. This is because the seed extrude was instructed to cut only the inner portion. From here, we can go on to combine the bodies. Let's take a look at a hypothetical scenario where the seed cut sketch occupies both the inner and outer regions. Under Objects to cut, you can now see two bodies. So proceed to select only the inner body. If we proceed to create a pattern, the pattern would follow the rule set by the seed extrude and only cut the inner body. Another way to do this might be to envisage this as a series of thin extrudes. Maybe you can try this out and let me know your results.